Safety is the cornerstone of every successful workplace. No matter how skilled or experienced you are, one careless mistake can lead to serious injury, equipment damage, or even loss of life. That's why following safety rules isn't just a requirement, it's a responsibility shared by everyone. These 9 safety guides serve as a complete framework to help you work smart, stay alert, and protect yourself and those around you. Each guide is built on real experiences and proven practices that promote awareness, discipline, and prevention. By understanding and applying these safety principles every day, you ensure not only your own well-being but also contribute to a safe and efficient working environment for all. Number 1 guide: always follow proper procedures. This rule is the foundation of safety in any work environment. Procedures are not arbitrary, they are developed through years of experience, testing, and lessons learned from past accidents. Following them ensures that every task is performed safely and correctly. When workers take shortcuts or skip steps to save time, they increase the risk of injury, equipment damage, or even fatal accidents. Always turn off and disconnect power sources before handling any component to prevent electric shock. Use insulated tools, rubber mats, and protective gloves to create barriers between yourself and potential hazards. Avoid working when tired or under the influence of medication that causes drowsiness, as fatigue can impair judgment and reaction time. Staying alert and disciplined helps maintain focus and prevents careless mistakes. In the end, safety isn't about luck, it's about consistently doing the right things the right way. Number 2 guide emphasizes the importance of using service manuals and technical references whenever you work with electrical or electronic equipment. These manuals are not just repair instructions, they are vital safety documents that show critical details such as high voltage areas, grounding points, and circuit schematics. By carefully studying the manual before opening or testing any device, you can identify potential hazards and understand the correct procedures for troubleshooting or repair. Relying on accurate diagrams prevents you from making dangerous assumptions about a circuit's layout. In short, understanding and following the documentation protects you from electric shock, equipment damage, and costly mistakes. Number 3 guide: investigate before you act. This guide emphasizes the importance of verifying electrical safety before taking any action. Just because a switch is turned off doesn't mean the circuit is safe. Hidden dangers like faulty switches, stored energy in capacitors, or residual voltage can still cause electric shock or damage equipment. Before touching or connecting any component, always take a moment to inspect and test. Confirm that the circuit is truly de-energized. All capacitors are properly discharged, and there's no leftover voltage present. Using tools such as a voltmeter or test lamp ensures accurate verification. A few seconds spent checking the circuit can prevent accidents, injuries, or even fatal mistakes, making careful investigation a critical step in every safe work procedure. Number 4 guide: respect safety systems and grounding. Safety systems and grounding are your first line of defense against electric shock and equipment damage. These protective features are carefully designed to detect faults, stop power when danger is present, and direct stray current safely to the ground. Never bypass safety interlocks or disable automatic shut-off mechanisms, as they are built to protect you during unexpected failures. Likewise, grounding connections must always remain intact. Removing or ignoring them can turn a minor issue into a deadly hazard. Always use properly grounded outlets, cords, and tools that meet safety standards. Remember, these safeguards are not obstacles to your work, they are life-saving systems that deserve your full respect and attention. Now for the number 5 guide: when in doubt, do not act, ask first. This safety emphasizes the importance of seeking clarification before taking any action when you are uncertain. In electrical or technical work, hesitation and questions are not signs of weakness, they are signs of maturity and professionalism. Acting without full understanding can lead to serious accidents, equipment damage, or even injury. Instead, if something feels unclear or unsafe, it is always better to pause and ask for help from an instructor, supervisor, or qualified technician. Remember, safety depends on clear knowledge and confident actions. Taking the time to ask ensures that you're working responsibly and respecting both your safety and the safety of others. Next for Guide 6, maintain a clean and safe work environment. A clean and organized workspace is the foundation of electrical safety. When your area is free from clutter, liquids, and misplaced tools, you reduce the risk of accidents and distractions. Always keep your workbench dry and tidy to prevent electrical hazards caused by spilled liquids or tangled wires. Organize cables properly to avoid tripping or accidental disconnection, and regularly inspect your tools, cords, and safety equipment to ensure they're in good condition. It's also essential to remove jewelry such as rings, bracelets, or watches before working, as metal can conduct electricity and cause severe injury. Maintaining cleanliness and order not only promotes efficiency but also keeps you alert and prepared for any emergency that may arise. Number 7 Guide: Handle fire, chemicals, and materials safely. This chapter emphasizes the importance of caution when working with substances and materials used in electrical or electronic tasks. Many of these items, such as solvents, cleaners, and certain electronic components, can pose serious hazards if mishandled. Always remember that not all fires can be extinguished with water. Electrical fires require a carbon dioxide or dry chemical extinguisher to prevent further danger. When using solvents or cleaning agents, follow all safety instructions, as many are highly flammable or toxic. Some electronic parts may also contain hazardous materials like beryllium oxide, tantalum, or lead solder, which can release harmful fumes or dust when damaged or overheated. Therefore, avoid crushing, sanding, or heating unknown materials, and always wash your hands thoroughly after working with chemicals or components. In short, treat every substance and material with respect and assume it could be hazardous until you are certain it is safe. Number 8 Guide: Use approved parts and protective equipment. In electrical work, safety and reliability depend greatly on using the correct components and proper protection. Every part in a circuit, such as fuses, resistors, and capacitors, is designed to handle specific voltages and currents. Using unapproved or mismatched parts can lead to overheating, fire, or electric shock. Always follow the manufacturer's recommendations when replacing components to ensure the system operates safely and efficiently. Additionally, wearing the right protective gear, like safety glasses and insulated clothing, is essential when handling high voltage or high vacuum equipment such as cathode ray tubes. Regularly inspect your tools, test leads, and meters, and replace any damaged items right away to maintain both personal safety and the integrity of your work. Now for the final guide emphasizes the importance of working responsibly with others. In electrical and electronic work, some tasks are too risky to handle alone, especially those involving high voltages or complex systems. Using a buddy system ensures that someone is always nearby to assist or respond in case of an emergency. Clear communication between partners before switching power on or off prevents misunderstandings that could lead to electric shock or equipment damage. Additionally, the lab or workshop should always remain a place of focus and discipline. Running, horseplay, or practical jokes have no place in such environments. By practicing teamwork, respect, and cooperation, workers create a safer and more efficient workspace for everyone.